Hey boss, the safety shoe I told you I found and ordered for a sample. Here's a sample, and so I'm gonna show you how it looks and probably take it to this is how it looks. It's quite good, oil resistant, and it has the metal plate inside. But to be 100% sure, I'm gonna open it and show you how it looks like. I have ordered for 5,000 pieces, but the order is gonna be in progress once I confirm the sample.
底下塑料的，你这样能看得到呀？把那撕开嘛。
对对。
哦，
啊。
哎，新鞋子切掉了，我操！
Yeah, boss. Actually, there are two types, SBP and S1P, with the same basic characteristics of steel toe cap impact resistant, steel plate puncture resistant, natural rubber sole, oil acid slip resistant, and I think the quality is good. So a copy of this video will be on YouTube for anybody to watch and contact me if interested as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.